Hello and welcome to the video lecture associated with how distributed database management systems have evolved when it comes to processing SQL requests. So, started off as let's define what a unit of work. So the unit of work is all of the transaction steps. So if you have a complex transaction, that entire transaction is the unit of work. So we can have a remote unit of work where the SQL statements originated at one location can be executed as a single unit of work on a single remote database management system. Then what happens is we can have a distributed unit of work. So we have different statements in a unit of work refer to different remote sites. All the databases in a single SQL statement must be at a single site. And now we've got distributed requests where the user submits a single SQL statement that may refer to tables in more than one remote site, but they don't care. It's transparent to them. But they may not support replication transparency or failure transparency. So these distributed database management systems have evolved, and this is a nice little chart of the distribution capabilities in some of the key database management systems that are out there. We've got big vendors like IBM, big player. Sybase is a big player. Oracle is a big player. Now MySQL is a big player. Microsoft and SQL Server 2008, which is now, I think they've come out with SQL Server 2010 or 2011 fairly recently. So here's an example of the capabilities in some of the key database management systems. I'm not going to get all specific on it with you. But that is the end of my video lecture associated with the evolution of distributed database management systems, and that is the end of chapter 12.